This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. Welcome to 2.06 acres of mountain beauty in the highly sought after 1300 at Lake Nottely. This gently rolling lot offers an ideal building site with peaceful mountain views and charming vistas of the horse stables just across the road. Nestled in one of North Georgia's premier gated communities, this property provides the perfect balance of privacy, natural beauty, and upscale amenities. 1300 features wide paved roads, a stunning community pavilion with a cozy fireplace, saltwater pool, picnic areas, and outdoor grills, ideal for entertaining and relaxing. Equestrian enthusiasts will love the private horse stables and pasture, while lake lovers can enjoy the lakeside park with pavilions, grilling stations, sundeck, swim platform, boat ramp, and community docks on Lake Nottely. Conveniently located just minutes from the charming mountain towns of Blairsville and Blue Ridge, this property offers easy access to shopping, dining, outdoor recreation, and festivals. Whether you're envisioning a full-time residence or a peaceful mountain getaway, this exceptional lot provides the perfect canvas to build your dream home. Don't miss the opportunity to own in one of the area's most prestigious mountain lake communities. For more information,